Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you a technique that I enjoy very much. It's sort of combining hand drill and bow drill. Another way to describe it would be you're going to bow drill your hand drill spindle. So here I have a piece of horseweed. It's gotten too small to operate by hand, so this is going to be ideal for the bow drill. And I'm just going to use an existing pine fireboard, and we'll clamp it down to the table. Now these are not clamps. These represent the person you got lost with that's going to hold that fireboard for you. May not need the saw. And a little old short bow drill bow, about 18 inches long. Paracord, and then as usual my fatwood bearing block. Let me get you a little bit closer and show you how this is going to go. Now you have to be very careful that you solve all of your drag problems. You don't want this pointy end here to drag in the bearing block. So I'll go ahead, you see where it's been shouldering out? I'll go ahead and cut that off. Same thing with this hot end. If you stick it in here and it drags a little bit, you want to do what you have to do to solve that problem. Usually just cutting off all the corners around the perimeter of this tip right here. And lock it down good and tight. This would be useful for somebody that feels like they can't get down on their knees anymore to bow drill. I enjoy it. I enjoy this technique very much. I like easy. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.